Hello everyone, it's Holly. In this video, I'm going to be doing a room tour of a standard deluxe queen suite at the Great Wolf Lodge in Colorado Springs, Colorado. First, entering the room, you will see that it is a very standard looking hotel room. At the same time, it has a lot of character to it with the decor, giving it that cabin look to go along with the whole Great Wolf Lodge theme. You can see it has here 2 queen-size beds along with a love seat that pulls out into a twin-size bed. And then there is the patio balcony here. Now I did pay a little extra a night to have one of these rooms with a balcony patio because not only did I want the balcony, but I wanted the view. It was much nicer to have a view of the mountains than a view of the parking lot. And we did also love having the patio for that extra living space. The weather was nice when we stayed and we utilized enjoying time sitting outside. There was also blackout curtains for when you wanted the room to be dark and a thin curtain for letting in light but still having privacy. Coming back into the room, again, you can see it is a very standard looking hotel room, but it has a lot of great charm to it. Again, this love seat here pulls out to be a twin size bed. It's nice having an extra bed, but then also a place to sit during the day. Of course, there are some rooms that are a lot more full of theme. This one is pretty basic. Yet it was still fun with all the little touches of character here and there. And you can see all the lights are these lanterns. There is a screen TV, of course, and under the TV there is an area for storage. Now it does not have drawers if you are one who likes having drawers to put your clothes away in, but it does have shelves. There's also a bench over here where you can store stuff or even put your suitcase on top of. Each side of the bed has a lantern-looking lamp. There is a phone and an alarm clock here with extra standard outlets and USB plugs. Along with that, built into the nightstand, you have even more standard and USB plugs. I always appreciate this when I stay in a hotel room, so this way I don't have to bring my own power strip along. Of course, you have a nice little table there in the corner. And then going over to this part of the room, there is a full-length mirror. Again, something I love having in hotel rooms. Right here is the closet area with plenty of hangers, and in the shelf above has extra bedding, and this of course is for the pull-out bed. Now the bathroom I was very impressed with because of how clean it was. You can see this bathroom has a shower tub combo along with a big shower head. It also came with shampoo/conditioner and a bottle of body wash. The sink area down below had plenty of towels as well as a hairdryer. Also, there was a bottle of lotion as well as your soap, being a cute little wolf paw print. And then behind the door, something I always love in hotel rooms, there was a hook. Hooks are so nice to have in bathrooms when I stay at hotels. Then behind the wall here is the toilet, giving it a little bit of privacy, but the bathroom again was very spacious and clean. On the opposite side of the bathroom, right next to the door, is the kitchenette area. We definitely utilized this whole space. Right below the counter, there is a refrigerator, no freezer though, and then it came with a microwave, coffee maker, unfortunately not a Keurig, but it was still easy to make coffee and decent for us to use in the morning. There of course is an ice bucket and then a few trash cans down below. Well, that concludes my room tour of a standard deluxe queen suite that sleeps up to 5 guests with a balcony patio mountain view. I hope you found this helpful if you are planning to stay at the Great Wolf Lodge in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and you want to get a good idea of what to expect from this particular room. I know that when I was planning our trip, I was trying to find a good room tour and I really couldn't find one that was clear enough, so I decided to make one myself. If you enjoyed this video or got any value out of it, please hit the like button. I appreciate you watching and may you have a beautiful day.